Gonna work on a couple more packs today out here at Adam's school. I've got a Rooster frame here and a little jumper, and I've got a partial pack, charge pack here. So I'm just gonna do some flying around and just enjoy the battery and then get on something else. So okay, here we go. Okay, we have a full battery pack and set on air mode, armed, and here we go. I'm using that little reticle there to kind of help me out. Get used to where this thing goes when I point it. Also making sure I try both directions. See, that wouldn't have been a good lineup. No, that was a little lawnmower action there. Whoa, that was close. Didn't expect to survive that. Alright, get hold of myself here. Okay, so let's flip it over to turtle mode. Off. Bit of dirt here. Coming in a little too fast. Yeah, really get. Whoop. Alright, just do some cruising here. Oh, I can tell I hit a prop, so. There we go. Did a reboot.